Hello guys, welcome back to another video in the Java programming series. In today's video, we are going to learn how to download and install Java JDK and Eclipse IDE. Hopefully you enjoyed the video and learned something new, so let's get started. In the first instance, let us check if we have Java already installed in our system. So the easiest way on how to check if Java is installed on your system is for you to open command prompt. So you type cmd. From there, you type Java-version. When you press enter, I already have Java installed on my system. So this is the Java version 25 and it is the LTS version. So this is how we check if Java is installed on your system. If you do not see this, then definitely it means Java is not installed on your system. In order to download your Java JDK and Eclipse IDE, all you need to do is for you to open your favorite browser. Then on the URL bar, you type JDK download. When you hit the enter key, you will see this first download link. All you need to do, click on Java downloads. And when you click on Java downloads, you'll be redirected to this page. Here, you will see the current versions of JDK. We have for Linux, these are the installation files for Linux, as well as for Mac OS and the Windows operating system. Currently, the JDK version, we have 21 and 25. These are the current versions that we have. So since we are using a Windows PC, we are going to download the x64 installer. So all you need to do, you can click on this download link here. Then your download will automatically start. As you can see, we are now downloading JDK 25. If we want to download the Eclipse, we need to open a new tab, and from there we type Eclipse download. When we type Eclipse download, press enter. We also click on this first link, and from there we will be redirected to this page. Here we click on the download button here, and we will be provided with two download files, but let's download x86-64 download file. So when you click on it, you can also be redirected to another page. So for this page, we just click on the download button here. When you click on download, automatically your download will now commence. So as you can see, we have two downloads currently. So we have the JDK here and the Eclipse. So let's wait for the download to complete. So as the download is now complete, let us now move on to our downloads folder and see the files. So we now have the Eclipse IDE and the Java JDK. So how do we install Java JDK? This is the download file. So all we need to do is to double click on this file. Then we accept the user account controls permission. Then from there, we'll click on yes. So as we see this installation wizard, we just click on next. Of course, it will be automatically installed on our path here. So if you want, you can change the location where you want JDK to be installed, but let's leave it on this current path. So click on next. From there, we wait. So the installation is complete. So the next thing we need to do is for us to install our Eclipse IDE. So this is the Eclipse IDE installer, so we just need to double click on it, and from there we click on run here. So we now have this installer wizard. All we need to do for now is for us to click on Eclipse IDE for Java developers. If we are developing enterprise applications, we'll just select Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java or web development. But for now, since we are about to learn how to write Java programs, we will be making use of console applications. By that, I mean we are going to learn how to build some basic console applications for now. So we are going to install Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So I'll click on this, and from there, we click on install. So we wait for the installation to complete. So Eclipse has been installed. So let us now click on launch to open it for the first time. So as you can see, if we click on the launch button here, we now have our Eclipse IDE. So we can now start to write our Java programs. Do make sure to check on the description below. The download links for Java and Eclipse IDE are there. And also don't forget to subscribe, as it really means the world to me. See you on the next video. Bye bye.